Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today, I'm going to be creating a spread in my wellness and my meal planner. So, my meal planner is the Frosted Blooms, and this is a classic size happy planner. I'm gonna fast forward through me putting down stickers of the meals. So, typically, I do breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and grocery lists. So, here we go. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in again and spending time with me. It means so much. Okay, so now just dinner and snack, and I should be all done, and we can go ahead and decorate and then plan for sure. So if this is your first time, I make 2 spreads within this one video where I make the meal plan and then I do make the wellness spread as well. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my grocery list. These stickers that I have right here, those are printed and cut out by Cricut. So they're designed and made by me. I really do enjoy creating with them. So I went back. So I am using the Hello Summer sticker book from Live Love Posh. It is this kind of a retro tropical feel, and I wanted to include that in my planner for this week. I thought it might be fun to use up some of the summer stickers as I love summer. So here we go, some watermelon, some flowers, and kind of retro, like all of these floaties and stuff. Sink or swim, that's funny. But all of the floaties and stuff are kind of retro and kind of fun, so I thought I'm gonna include those. So these little coconut drinks and watermelons, and all of that stuff I thought is so cute, so I'm adding that in. If you have this book, I highly recommend these stickers. Plus, I really like using up stickers. The whimsical summer is now empty. I have used every single last sticker. I am so excited. So, yeah, it's gonna be great. And I'm gonna go ahead and add something to Sunday, and then after that, we will go ahead and meal plan. So let me fix this one. It does bug me a little. That doesn't have the dark purple in there. And I'm just gonna put that away. Okay, so let's make some dots. I'm just using pink ones. So this is a zig pen. It's a zig color pen. And it makes perfect dots for you. So let's go ahead and meal plan now. And I always pop this back into my planner to check what it looks like, make sure it looks good, and then I'm happy. And then, of course, I forgot the dots for the grocery list. So it kind of is visually off for me when I pop it into the planner. Okay. So for breakfast, let's go ahead and start planning. I'm going to have toast, nothing big, usually with tomato or something simple. Tuesday toast with avocado, toast with avocado again. I love avocado toast, especially with a little slice of tomato and cilantro and lime. It's like my favorite. Salad for lunch, that's usually my go-to, or leftovers, either way. It's one of those two things. Wednesday, lunch will be a sandwich. and then like slices of apple. I'm trying to see what I have in my freezer before I go grocery shopping and try to see what I can cook. So we can make pork chops on Monday, but we'll see because I might be going out since it's my birthday. So we will see. But we have that new puppy that you guys probably saw already on my posts. So we might not want to leave him. Then we have steak, baked potato, plum, orange, plum. Something simple for my snacks is usually best. So on Thursday, again, I'm gonna have some hard-boiled eggs. Those are my other go-tos. Toast on Friday. Eggs sunny side up on Saturday. Sunday, I don't know yet, so I'll think about it, but salad or sandwich for lunch on Thursday. The Thursday and Friday might be a swap, we'll see. Then we have tuna salad, which I like. On Sunday, we usually don't do lunch because we do a pretty light brunch, so it's gonna be snacks in between dinner. So we have chicken for dinner on Thursday, fajitas on Friday, baked potato, like a loaded baked potato. Sunday will be out, plum, orange, apple, plum, so just alternate them pretty much. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go into the wellness part of this. So this planner is called Nature and Nurture, and I'm gonna go ahead and black out all of these writings that I don't need, and then we're gonna go ahead and start planning. This one is Hello Summer yet again, and I'm gonna be using the beach, not the beach, the pool spread. I think it's so fun to have still pool in July, so I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of do all of this in. So adding some flowers to the corners and pools and stuff like that is so much fun for me. I'm just lifting this up. Sorry, I'm a little unfocused with the camera today. Okay, and as always, I'm gonna use some of these checklists from Mojo Jojo. These are seriously endless. If you get one book, it's gonna last you for such a long time. I love this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all of these little checklists. So I'm gonna alternate between blue and pink. And then of course I need 2 boxes to coordinate and cover up those things. So here we go. And I'm gonna go ahead and add these into the spread. We're gonna start with pink and then blue and so on. Okay. I'm trying to be as straight with this as possible. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add more decorations, kind of make it fun, add all of these girls sunbathing and doing all these lovely things. So let's give her an umbrella right here as well. The bottom part is fully decorational for me, so I have so much fun with this. Okay, couple more things. So let's add this strip, with a bigger pool right there. It looks bigger, at least from the top. And then of course we're going to be adding flowers, because what is a spread of mine without some flowers or plants in it? And I really love creating spreads like this. They're so beautiful and vibrant and colorful, and they truly make me smile. So that's exactly how I want to feel when I make spreads. And I'm adding tiny little bits and pieces to fill in the space, and I think that looks great. Let me know what you think about this, but I'm just gonna make some dots. And then that is it. I hope you guys had fun with me. If you did, let me know. I love your comments. If you have any questions for my Q&A that's coming up, please put them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer anything you guys want to know about me or the planning, or any kind of opinions that you guys would want. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.